Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to turn off paperless billing from Xfinity. Open the website xfinity.com, then click on Sign In. First, enter your email, mobile, or username. Next, enter your password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right side of the page. Click on the profile icon. On the side menu, you will see an option for billing. Click on Billing. Once you're on this page, scroll down a little. Under Bill Settings, you will see a section for paperless billing. Click on Paperless Billing. Here, you will see a button that says Turn Off. Click on Turn Off. A pop-up window will appear stating what will happen if you turn off paperless billing. To proceed, click on Yes, Turn Off. That's how you turn off paperless billing from Xfinity. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.